Hello, I'm Robert Steadman, motor yacht broker for Berthon International. This mean looking thing behind me is a Novamarine Black Shiver 100. I'm going to take you on a quick tour of the boat. She is available through Berthon International. The owner bought the boat from new in 2021. He was using it as a chase boat to his larger mothership, which he has now since sold. So she is seriously for sale. She is being professionally maintained by a qualified captain. She was highly specified from new. Let me show you on board. Novamarine has commercial roots, founded in Olbia on the island of Sardinia, Italy. These guys have built for the military and various government agencies around the world since 1983. Launched in 2015, the Black Shiver range is renowned for its impressive seakeeping. The closed cell, shock-resistant hypalon tubes are filled with rubber foam. And the hull is made of GRP and has an epoxy coating as well as anti-foul applied. She has 760 litres of fuel on board, 100 litres of fresh water, 40 litres for sewage, and the T-top is actually made of carbon fibre, so all the weight is kept low down. We have twin Mercury Verados, 350 horsepower per side. She's going to be touching around 38 knots with a comfortable cruise of around 33 knots. She's doing around 80 litres an hour at this speed, so you can cruising around 250 nautical miles, a bit over. So as I said, she was built in 2021 for the current owner and used primarily as a chase boat. She is around 470 engine hours, so relatively light use. The yacht has been professionally maintained by a full-time crew. She's currently stored under cover. Her engines were serviced in November 2025. And any items that have failed on the boat, anything that's needed attention has been addressed, and she's really is presenting an excellent working condition. She's got an impressive specification. You would have seen the underwater lights. She's also got twin stern swim ladders, both port and starboard. She's got shore power, teak decks throughout. She's also got boarding on both port and starboard. And it's particularly useful if you're operating as a chase boat. And these cockpit tables, they'll drop down to make a larger sun pad. That's the same forward as well. It's really good stainless steel handrails throughout the boat. It's a super safe boat to walk around. Plenty of seating. Up forward we have our anchor locker. We've got really nice chunky stainless steel fair lead as well as the bollard there. Then inside here we have stainless steel anchor chain along with the stainless steel anchor, so she's really planted when on the hook. Difficult to see in this video, but the painted grey hull superstructure is in super condition, been really nicely cared for. You can see that helm console and T-top, which is made of carbon fibre. So we've got a Marineco searchlight, we've got a radar, we've got a FLIR thermal imaging camera so we can dodge those lobster pots. And then we've got our navigation lighting as well. On the helm, see we've got that joystick there for the engines. And she also has the Skyhook feature. So she'll hold her position on a GPS coordinate. This is actually an opening windscreen. We have digital switching on the Garmin display. We also have AIS and VHF. This was an additional, the electric head. It's got a freshwater flush. Got our engine management system. And we've got a little sink with tap. And we've got our fusion head unit there. There's speakers both forward and aft good sound system on board. So whoever becomes the next owner of this boat will be acquiring exceptionally well cared for example of the Novamarine Black Shiver 100. She's a really capable offshore cruising machine, offering an excellent balance of performance, seakeeping and luxury, with all the amenities needed to enjoy the perfect day on the water with family and friends. Available now through Berthon.